Hello, today I am going to be showing you how to reset the oil life on a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the hybrid version, but it should be the same on the other models. So to start, you need to have the vehicle on run, not started. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Push the button again to the run position, and then now here on your screen you're gonna need these buttons. You're gonna be looking for this menu here where you see your averages and consumptions. Push the button to the right or left where you can find your oil life. On this vehicle is 65%. We just got an oil change. We can go ahead and reset it. To do that, you just hold OK. Perfect, back to 100, and I hope this helped you. Have a great day.